Hello everyone, welcome to Learn and Shine. In this video we are going to learn about letter Alif. Arnab, rabbit. Let's repeat. Arnab, rabbit. Fas, axe. Let's repeat. Fas, axe. Banda, panda. Let's repeat. Banda, panda. Ajri, run. Let's repeat. Ajri, run. Akfiz, jump. Let's repeat. Akfiz, jump. Far, mouse. Let's repeat. Far, mouse. Alab, I play. Let's repeat. Alab, I play. Rasha, young. Let's repeat. Rasha, young. Asamattas, I stretch. Let's repeat. Atamattat, I stretch. Let's learn how to write the letter Alif. To write the letter Alif, we just draw one straight line. Let's try again. Let's learn how to write the letter Alif in its three forms. To write its isolated form, we just draw one straight line. To write its first form, we just draw one straight line. To write its middle form, we draw one straight line and one horizontal line. To write its end form, we draw one straight line and one horizontal line. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for further notifications and share it with your friends. Take care. Thank you.